All right, pineapple bourbon party ribs.
Let's get involved, people. Come on. Woo!
Hello and welcome back to BBQ Jams. I'm your host, Wil Blumberg, and tonight, guys, we're gonna be cooking up some pineapple bourbon party ribs. They're going to be incredible. I'm gonna be cooking on the offset over there, the smoker. So who is coming over tonight? Guys, we have Ian Adkinson. He's gonna be playing some keys for us. Leroy Copeland will also be joining us tonight. We also have Ryan Turk playing bass for us. Mike Linsky and myself, Wil Blumberg. So without further ado, people, let's get involved. Boom! All right, so let's get started on these party ribs. So I'm gonna pop these out of the package and I'm going to be rubbing these down, drying them off, and then putting on some rub. But before the rub, I'm actually going to cut these all apart. By the way, if you guys are enjoying this channel, please like and subscribe. It helps out our channel, helps us grow, and hopefully we can keep this thing going. All right, we have our party ribs all cut up. Going on with a binder, we're gonna be just using some yellow mustard. All right, so now we're going on with some BBQ Jams rub. Onto the pit we go. All right, while these are cooking, you guys like and subscribe. Check out these jams. We're gonna catch you back here in a minute. All right, let's go ahead and prepare this sauce for tonight. So here we go. 1 cup of ketchup, 1.5 cups of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of honey, 1/2 cup of crushed pineapple, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of coarse black pepper, and 8 ounces of bourbon. So let's go ahead and combine all that together. Okay, so about every 30 minutes, we're gonna be using some pineapple juice for a spritz. So here we go. Woo, look at those guys. Another 30 minutes, we spritz them again. All right, we're just gonna give these a flip. We're also basting these every 30 minutes, so here we go. All right, guys, it is time to pull. I'm gonna be putting them in this container. I'm gonna be putting some barbecue sauce some butter, and we're gonna wrap it. We're gonna stick it back in here to finish off. Throw on some butter, throw in that sauce. All right. Okay, so now that we've got it in our container, we're gonna throw some butter in, and then we're gonna be popping in some of our barbecue sauce that we've made. All right, back onto the pit she goes. Okay guys, we're gonna let this finish off. We'll catch you guys back here in a minute. Like and subscribe. Come on guys, let's get involved. All right, it's time to pull these party reds. Here we go. Woo! These babies are looking great. I ended up taking the foil off just to kind of get them a little extra tacky on top, but we're looking great, guys. So here we go. Here we go. Check it out. These party ribs are ready to get devoured, and I'm going to bring the guys on right now. So who do we have over here tonight? We have Mike Linsky. Come on down, Bubba. What's up, dude?
Thanks for having me.
Yeah, of course. Are you excited?
I'm very excited.
Oh my God. I love the shirt. Looks great.
Thank
By the
you.
way, just wanted to say that. So
Appreciate it.
Totally looking forward to this. We also have Leroy Copeland over here. What's up, man? How's it going, bro?
Great.
You excited?
Yes.
Oh my God. Everybody's
Definitely.
like salivating. Can't wait to get a hold of these things. And we also have Mr. Ryan Turk over here. Come on down, Ryan Turk. Woo! You excited?
Yeah.
Oh, dude, he's terribly excited. I love the shirt, by the way. If y'all can read that, it says Dad, believe it or not. Yes, very cool. And we also have Mr. Ian over here. Ian Adkinson. What's up, dude? Welcome to the parties here. Oh man, we're getting all into it. You guys ready to get involved with these?
Yeah. Let's do it.
Come on
Get
down.
involved.
Let's grab one. I'm gonna get this one right here on top.
Try to not be shy.
Yes, please don't be shy.
And get this one with
Massey, come on. Look at her. They're still kind of hot, so.
Thanks, Will.
Yeah, no problemo. All right, here we go. Cheers, guys.
Cheers.
Cheers, cheers, cheers. You're all good. You're all good. You got one? Oh no, Ryan Turk, come on, man.
Oh man, wow, look at this.
Okay,
Wow.
that's pretty good.
Yeah.
The viewers at home need to
That's
smell
something else,
it.
yeah.
Oh man. Don't taste the bourbon too much in there. I think a lot of that cooked off, which is good because we'd all probably be playing terribly tonight. But all right, cool. Got a good chew to it.
That's great, man. Good job.
Whoa. The pineapple, there's so much sweetness happening with this thing too, from the brown sugar and that pineapple. Awesome, guys. Whoa. I think that's the winner for the evening right here, guys. All right.
Cheers.
Cheers, guys.
Hell
Cheers.
yeah.
Thank you all so much for being here. And thank you guys for tuning in. And we're going to bring a couple of guys over here, a couple more, if y'all don't mind. We got a few more guests over here,
everybody
if y'all are into it. All right. So, Lucy, welcome to the show. How's it going?
Great, how are you?
Doing well, doing well. Are you ready to check out a rib?
Let's do
We also have Mr. Anthony Hashem over here. What's up, Bubba?
You smell amazing.
Dude, and he also hooked us up with some yellow rose coleslaw we're going to be chowing on here in a little bit. And we also have Dan Mills.
Yeah.
Right? Yes, Dan Mills. I got it right. Sweet. Welcome to the party, sir. Grab one and go. Just get in.
Looking forward to it, man. Thank you.
Cheers. Cheers. Yes. Woo. All right.
Can I grab another? Ready
Dude, go for it.
Oh yeah.
Yes, please don't be shy. Y'all get involved with this.
Get involved.
Can you spare a rib, good sir?
Nice.
There's only 37
That's a big one.
Wow. Only 37. All right. Super juicy. Nice. Thank you very much. Yeah, these worked out pretty good, huh?
Really
Sweet. And that was a quick cook too. We put these things on at 6 and it is, what is it, a little after 8:30? So that's pretty quick. Yeah, for ribs, that's perfect.
6 a.m., right?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, it's been on a long time, guys. Hey, we're gonna tear up these ribs. You guys enjoy these jams, like and subscribe. We're gonna catch you back here in just a minute. So, woo, get involved, people. We had an excellent show tonight. Oh my God, these party ribs were off the charts. What'd you guys think of those party ribs tonight? Incredibly. Oh my God! And this guy, he said, what, top number one so far?
Yeah.
Cook
Oh
so
yeah,
far?
for sure.
Oh man, that's
my new
love
fave.
that. That's so cool. And we also have some newcomers here tonight. We've got Dan Mills over here. What's up, dude? How's it going?
Man? Great ribs, man.
Thank you very much. I'm gonna hook you up with a shirt.
Appreciate
That's
it.
probably the wrong one, but y'all will trade out later.
Yeah.
And we also have Leroy over here with a shirt. What's up, dude? And we also have Lucy over here. I'm gonna hook you up with a shirt. Yeah. And it's official. You have all been barbecue jammed. Oh my God! Guys, we had an excellent show tonight. Please like and subscribe. Stay tuned. Come on, let's get involved, people. Here we go. Woo!